Hey guys, just took this bit of plastic off. I'm back at drummer dryer and using it. That's the foot screws. Just took that back. I want to do taking all these screws off. Yeah. Just gonna get the wheelbarrow, put it down, and put any plastic waste. Because I want to use this drum for, doing fire. Use it as a fire bin. The motor's there. Right in there. Just got the cable off and then just shut the plug away. There's the plug. So yeah, that's one of the sides, that's the door. That's the top bit there. I want doing mainly. Putting off the tangent. I'll just cut them off. Cut that off where they go there. That won't need to. These screws off there, 2 on it here. I know I could have set video of everything, but there's nowhere to put my phone while it's getting wet, so. Yeah. I've got all the copper cable. Then on the back of there, back of that, some bit of copper, it's brass. So. And then all the plastic waste. Wonder why it was not working. So I'll get that. So. Probably. So. Right, it's just got to take that nutrient. That's only what? Because it took the clips off. So, God knows what's holding that together. Oh, that was difficult because I had to get the big daddy hammer to just smack the motor out because it won't come off. So I had to smack it, and then I don't know what, like holes in it, like bolts, and it's like, so how can I get to that? If I took the pins out, they won't come out. So yeah. Or steel, so. So. Leave that there, I'll put stuff in again. I'll put that there, I'll get a magnet on it. So, that's the motor. Put that in there. Yeah, aluminium and a bit of motor. One motor. So yeah. Everything fell over. Hey, don't wind me up, because I know what happens. P.O. So yeah, that didn't take me long really. Just half an hour just to take that apart. So the next thing to do is that. Yay. I'll take the cable off that in a minute. We're bag full of plastic. All that. So yeah, not bad. Half an hour. Thank you guys. Like, comment and subscribe.